almost the allegations ebo bomo you say mo ye kwan na timotran ama obi ewu ansa na mo ye kwan na NPP say mo twakuma wu jampuntu ba na oman no kra no utie ndisi fo nsema masa oman na wie masa oman na
Obahine for the say NDC for omontante NDC for because NDC no bia me gidi say omonim say that 1992 campaign no modi we Ghana for no sa propaganda and lies no yeah trasa sa propaganda and lies no trasa Obahine I'm going to tell you this without any contradiction say kumahu kwan no we time dia e started kumawu kwan no na ye wura the late MP no basu no wo ho I was in the office of Amakwata the Minister of Road and Highways me meet the late MP 3 times our Amakwata office.
Okay.
I was open from Amakwata me kaho I was one person me call Amakwata ho dano me catch and say oh na me ba Amakwata ho na me hu say basu wo me ba ye na me nkasa na me say oh kuma wudi e edaya ya kuma so tie papa no na Amakwata say oh basu the problem ni nyina da the table say see how on me ka no or the call Minister of Finance I give approval enche bia kuma wu kwan no ebeye so we hear kuma wu kwan den no it started from the late MP. She say yeah the late MP no ye
egu ho
no ye kura ye nim se obewu no kura onim se obewu be na kumawu kwan no na e wo ye MPP for na
anka by this time mo ye
anka by this time kura na anka MP no sanka onwu ye kura anka by this time ye kwan no so she say no da ho the late MP no she say no ye bibia na kwan no ye na fofia nto atana we no buy no so yan ka say because of your late MP no wu ye no the project no stop so ye continue sa project no at the share ono the late the share na kumawu for who say yes papa no ye adjuma so some say NDC for ka say owu ye no nti ana politics nti na yes no me who said yeah this is a loose talk no mo ye because no mo no fe say first nobody kwan ye campaign kuma wo so wo ho since 1992 dia na mo ye kuma wo
okay
so even kura say ye abatu ono nti na ebe ye kwan no anya kwan kuma wo for are they not deserve to get a good road so say ye kwan kura ye politicians nti kura politicians ye promising crofon say ye be adjuma mom say ye kwan kura na say politicians nti na ye kwan kura nya bibia kwa sa kwan dia ye quota no onye green book so they should stop this their lies their propaganda and then they cannot do it spirit no cannot do it spirit it's not a nice so NDC for me catch asedu ketie say enye nde ye MPP be ko abatu ono ntina ye kwan no ye start kwan se onim one call this Minister of Road and Highway no what time binders how contract now prove time binders start here obehu say omudito so omahine sa kwan no kuma wu kwan there ye say kuma wu they deserve that road not because of politics where we kwan because we promised them that we are going to do it for them.
IMF aba Kasaba bebre wo ho you see it's early days yet for you to celebrate. Is it something I bet me a panacea to break the 8 mobile call about to ebi musro say man where you break or make it with omo you muti ne election eba MPP NDC for akoyi John Mama on the all chamo mosomo to see how the lead role no is being played by the vice president Canada, Japan and Ireland. More national executives, how are you controlling this? You say spell over na mobile twaba anyway no you need unity and you are one. A free must your headquarters there is saying am I so far
omahine ma mindi kanka IMF na sem IMF no uhwe NDC for mo kasa gbegbe IMF ho na di kan ko IMF say ka IMF mo na mo sua IMF NDC for na di kan ko IMF ye NPP ni ye IMF na ye dan juni kura say ye be ko IMF because na ye no every time we pay monitor NPP ye ba 20 Ghana from 1992 na Ghana na yawo hipiku economy ye na ba making it 2000 from 2001 to 2008 na ye be Ghana middle income economy.
That's right.
Ye ba 2009 at MS5 from 2009 to 2016 na wa hipik anya sa
IMF
na wa IMF ye na ba ye ehun free IMF 2019 so we NPP for omoko IMF enye say boyo ana economy ni yentimi abi ye ba yetimi yi free IMF na bet they say enye celebrate enye bibia IMF today if you look at the countries nation bebre
26 African countries
and there omo IMF.
That's right.
Now before IMF kurabe approve amos kano unless you see how you manage what dia na we here dia na we this kano here ohwe wo modimbo ansana kano kura omo Ghana omo modimbo Ghana here with this COVID era no me think say Ghana for NDC for kura na hu say COVID and ni implication biya Ghana but obiya oye timomni obiya oya Ghana nipa onim say we are say bibi achontrem bi abesi Ghana ama ye nyina na ahonkyere aba Ghana na nyina wo fa bebia enyeye mo office mo station way menim say during COVID no mo hu say mo better mo badjuma ben na mo ntimi badjuma dienti COVID nti ye wo total lockdown ben nyina Russia Ukraine war no buy te bia ye ka Russia Ukraine now name say but definitely the NDC they know the implication and they know the effect that this war and then this COVID buy so ye ko ye na the IMF where ye na ko bebre ko ye na omutumi hu Ghana na omuti approve loan kakra ma say yam fan support your economy laurable but we think this money is coming for us to spend it. We are not going to spend it recklessly like the way they are spending it. And there ubi say sikanya diana ye betima counting at there more than 100 yeah and this for Montibin Kabibia. So in that crowd free senior high school the expenditure free senior high school in there me catch out the NDC ba be man yami fasamba na the free education kwa the month for where mean this free education can sustain for 2 months. 2 months these people cannot sustain free education in 2 months. Look at how look at even common Ghana card. How many years did these people manage to even let Ghanaians to get Ghana card? And there we build roads more than any government in the Fourth Republic. It is quite clear. This is not a propaganda. This is not a green book. It is gani. And then we interchange your building with low prices. Men family book banka me beka chow interchanges omo building how much taxpayers money omo tuya na hwe interchange your building and then koboli everywhere building roads across the nation. You see today every district have ambulance. Every district have ambulance. Today, during NDC time, factory sign almost here. 2 factory. Today, mo propaganda Ghana for home factory say and your green book. So we have plenty things to say. We have plenty to say. So Brandon and my coin. But I am here there. Omunja Omasa. Yeah, ba
elections.
Yeah, elections, you know. Presidential race, you know. Yeah, national officers. The one priority of these national officers who are now currently national officers, you know, lead by Stephen Tim, ne Justin Fripon Kodia. Jun say neutral. We disassociate ourselves in an open campaign. As a national officers, you know, we are ready to work with any presidential candidate who has been elected by the flag bearer of the NPP, because the president, the number one gentleman of the land, said he's ready to work and hand over power to the next NPP presidential.
Yeah. Say he will hand over power, but that decision does it lie in the mouth of the president to hand over power to an NPP flag bearer?
He saying
Juma obey na say
President Ohe Ajima Obama Ghana for Ohe the way Ghana for per NPP. Only say NPP ya were dumb Ghana have seen NDC. Where 1992. Since 1992, from 1992 to 1996, coup d'etat present to this thing, to democracy, civilian government, you know. Now, Obiahun, the way now about to war, it wasn't credible. During 1992 to 1996,
they said 2000 elections was the most credible.
Even apart from 1992 to 96, Rollers Freeman. NDC and 51% up to date.
No correct.
Yantu Ababiana NDC to me 51%.
Atamils had 50.4. John Mama had 50.6.
50.6.
Now NPP Kufo first together with the coalition had 56.
56.
But Onunko Ejina only had 53.
Only 53.
Nanado had 53. Yeah. Second term 51.
51. This is the records of NPP. This is clearly telling you that Ghana for Omodo NPP. Intina Tambia Omodi taxi be my na year na Ghana for no, because they believe in NPP. They believe in NPP because we are the majority district party in this country. And this is for Omotimi winning Aba. Omotimi winning Aba. Aba Bia Omu winning 2012. Yeko court obia home adia eko my practice now voting without biometric verification adia eko so nyina Ghana for omuhun ye. So meno Sakufado kase obe handi over Emma the next NPP flag bearer. I am bodily me wo arishemu say nakure because Akufado hun ajima NPP for boy na ajima omuye ye no Sanyami pe onu die obe forsa ya jima onu ne pese o pese in 2025 January 2025 obe hanu over na nyese obe hanu over to any incompetent government, any government who will come and destroy Ghana. He wish to hand over to the new patriotic party NPP flag bearer to be the president, the next president of the Republic of Ghana should be an NPP president. And you know, now Akufado.
But I don't know. Here Jumadin. Na free Sambre Kubri Hono Mujidi Sambe try said Jumadin no. Because to be frank with you, at a point in time, Ghanaians got disturbed. A lot of even MPP faithfuls were disgruntled. Some were ebi mo ebufu abino as a you have the numbers, but people are afraid someone we are not they can say apathy are set in. By free Sambre Kopim December 2024. We are sure say mubetimi a change the narrative. I'm a Ghana for etimi aka say na achianso so ye hunu say mui.
Nyame nka NPP for nyame ye de ka no say ye pa. Omu nyina NPP for nyina omu ka sa asem ye nya hwi no. Ye no omu me no omu ya adwene. Me national third vice chairman me no omu ya adwene because enyo obia na betima nya bibia. But there say ye power mu chow. I tell me more power mono. Me call me campaign as a national officer. Now me call me campaign before I've been elected as a national officer. I was part of those who saying that but I wasn't taking it as a priority because from me from me free boku but chima na me kasa me own businessman me here party ni mami contract party ni mem bibia but do me di ma party no na me nim say party we na ya party e beti me save Ghana for no me di me hold ni me sika ni me bibia ta party ni chi nde so history there wouldn't be any history in NPP na me di income.
Okay.
Because I've rise to the national level. That's right. The last level a person will rise to.
That's right.
So today I'm part of National Steering Committee meeting. This is the president, the vice president is there, the chief of staff is there. I am there. So even when Kasa a priority mommy. San committee na fie na me kasa na me youth organizer na me say na me communicator na me nya na me tida and can there position there menya na nka
to catch obia said they should come on board.
They should come on board. Ministers be wo parliamentarians be wo mu ya agima board obi wo hokura over parliament 3 times no onya minister. But still he works for the party. Meaning NPP onya minister on ka board kura. But still he loved the party on himself need the beba. We are say any politician kwa. We are say the obenya bia kai say nyame atwere say obenya ade we de nyame say wonya no wo pe ye president wonya nyame atwere say SOMPA o mahene da bi ubeba SOMPA ya ageba ntira nda wo SOMPA no enye say abi SOMPA no ho say eyefe ana bibi nyame na say SOMPA wo be in charge of SOMPA da bi say Alhaji beba no
anyway din komo
kasa me this is my belief. So me catch me polling station executive, electoral area coordinator, constituency executive, regional executive, omunya jima because me nyamba ye national officer na me bo NPP abaso. This is the political party ye buy. Almost every secretary na G slot national health insurance from constituency to region. Let's say we are regional secretary. Head regional health insurance. We are constituency secretary. Head constituency district. We NPP in we are organizer. Never organizers na school feeding program and no there. Your mama no dada NDC for say onoso oba obeji school feeding no man woman organizer. Me ye ba ye woman organizers kwa the whole. For a woman organizer, also where NPP woman organizer, as I know, I say on pay the mob. Yes, you just have slot on Emma, your woman organizer. Juma. Chairman Bia, where constituency chairman Bia Mubeti, His Excellency, the Nana Doko Akufo-Addo say, we are regional chairman. No papers will be a comma. The regional minister, you have to work to be a regional minister. And no be na as much me constituency na me water chima. And no be na as much but yeah, regional minister. I enforce say Omo Pinina Akufo-Addo said no. Me promise me constituency me regional officers. We are regional officer. Now we are chairman there ultimate the regional chairman means the son on that means the no this I promise you party by yes say my more NPP na yeah and then your mama mobile power how many time mobile power crossing NPP woman organizers were and then I'm say sa school feeding no more the woman organizer 2015 2016 2015 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. No more power. No school feeding no war. Why now? Me per se NDC for Bisa John Dramani Mahama. By that time no, only woman organizers ana. By that time no woman organizers only wana. Why now? Nani na ko share ne yiri ho na dia ne yiri pe na omudi man no. Omutimi the school feeding program no. E the man nipa bako to say Kumasi hanyina. San NDC for the omu women's organizer nya nde because of ohun say NPP women organizer na ya agima no omo si omo so ba omo de bema NPP omo de bema omo NDC na hwan na be twan mu na mo ba na NDC for magimi omo kasa kura nipa mu wo bi kaka kwa mu ma no nde wo pe for 8 years kura wo ma omo nde na wo be ba wo benya 4 years na kotina fie you 4 years in no kotina fie na afa no be dwunu omo ho me catch out say your mama some wo kano a loose talk a scam or person or dada homo say oba Ghana to make more damage in Ghana and you say one year them because the moment John Dramani Mahama obeba abemu kill him the first 3 months free senior high school will be cut off. National health insurance will be cut off. The teacher training allowances will be cut off. Next training allowances will be cut off. Every policy that the NPP do is so that the current generation will benefit and the future generation will come and benefit. John Dramani Mahama will cancel it. I'm telling you.
All right. Alhaji Masawudu Osman. My name is and then more preparation for tomorrow. Then I'll catch up to the party for.
Chọọchị ọ sesi a yɛn ka bebia yɛ ka kumowu asɛm kumowu meka kyerɛ kumowu foɔ kumoman sɛ ɔmo nto aba no nyame bu akyerɛ anapa a ɔbia nsɔre anapa na ɔndware na ɔnkɔfa ne ID card na ɔmfrɛ ne maame ne yere ne nua ɔbia no dɔfo na ɔmo nkɔ ɔmo duru hɔ number 1 no omuhunu osono no ombuhunu number 1 anim na omotim number 1 no na omundwini sa control core guy no sa independent guy no oni bibia obema we kumawufo because no the first no the rose ya campaign ya rose no hospital ya hospital no na ndekura who as independent who ko parliament who continue independent uni NDC fa uni NPP fa ayi fa no betemanya this development at the baba for anya tro o ya adada sa guy ni wo ya adada for aye wo ya adada for ya 41 wonim wo catch say ya man $3 million and then am catch o see ya man $3 million media hame we see we are NPP there me who say onye NPP ni wo ditro wo ya azani ye say wo na wo see wo no Basuwa no mu issue the late Basuwa no nde nyame afre no oni ho ya bompire ama no baby a wo da bia ya bompire ama ne family for
see the parent candidate some man said $3 million
me kaba na ya nim say wo no wo issue with Basuwa nde Basuwa ni ho it is a new candidate ye be ko promise no so we are MPP ni bapa then say anka wo be pick form na wusuwa contesté sa unim say kumawufo pewu adentina na anka umbe pick form no na anka win promise no na anka $3 million amka wo pese wo yamfa mo no ndinu na anka this $3 million no adeba a support na anka ko ye NPP MP na o defend ye seat
pacho say oni hanom no yia no $3 million na oji di sese
what did he say crown or them say no
e woman $3 million and anko step down
because sana na onim sana na
this is a wild allegation
wild allegation what I can me constituency chairman no crown this no say constituency chairman no kasa o kaja constituency chairman no kasa o si one man $3 million $3 million now
ansana waje also what $3 million
ya what $3 million anka ya $3 million anka ya fa ya
$3 million
ya the man who come forward so
no but you are making wild allegations
wild allegations
no me to say I Osman me to say but also to use words like it is only a court of competent resistance that can say this person by virtue of the fact that there is evidence here and there which message will be a crop.
Okay, my withdraw. My withdraw. But Sani Pano of person of fa azakwenbi ana o person of fa kwen boni bisu every o person obetema huna ye because of vote no na wonya ye no onim so obetema di sa vote no wonya ye no o huna but in there catch up kuma woman for say sa nipa no onya MPP ni sa nipa no oyaza because we are MPP ni anka obekoko fa
na wa pray
anka we are MPP ni wontina say pese ya agima anka fa $3 million emba tu ho na wudi na ya kwan Yeah, the $3 million more now. Yeah, ba election no.
Alhaji Osman, we fancy. Alhaji Osman, I will take the card. Salaam alaikum. All right.